टर्टलमिंट हे सॉफ्टवेअर कंपनीन गोंयांत आपले R&D सेंटर स्थापन केलां, जेका लागून फुडल्या 12 ते 18 म्हयन्यांत थळाव्या अभियांत्रिकी महाविद्यालयांतले सुमार 100 तरणाट्यांची भरती जातली. डिजिटल विमो सेवांनी वांटो घेवपी कंपनीचो वेवसाय जागतीक करप हो तेचे फाटलो हेत.
So I am from Goa. I grew up here. I did my schooling here at Don Bosco High School, grew in Panjim. And post that I went to do my engineering at IIT Bombay. Worked for a few years in the US, about 9 years, including in the Silicon Valley building products. I'm really excited now after several years working in different places to have this setup in Goa and do product building work out of the Goa office. So we are already we started the center recently and we have about 15 odd people already in the team. We are looking to grow that to 100 plus people in the next 12 to 18 months and grow beyond that as well. We are looking for talent in various types of software engineering roles, including very advanced technologies like blockchain, like artificial intelligence, and so on. We are going to the local colleges. We made some internship offers already, and we hope to find a lot of the talent hire a lot of talent from these engineering colleges as well.